Hey guys, so it is Wednesday, August 9th, 2023, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice again. Once again, this stuff gives me so much motivation and determination that it's not even funny. It makes me feel completely full of energy, but just the right amount of energy, and it makes me feel completely wide awake. When I don't drink this stuff, I am just so tired and zapped all the time, it's not even funny. Like, I'm exhausted from the time I wake up to the time I go to sleep. Now, I did a little splash of green in my makeup today because I really like the green color on me and it really brings out my eyes, as you can see. My ear is burning, don't mind that. I guess one of my angels is trying to send me a message or something. Anyway, this stuff is absolutely incredible. I've been drinking it for just over 2 months and it has cleared up my cystic acne. A combination of this and Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliant has completely cleared up my cystic acne, which is the worst kind that you can have because they're very deep rooted and it's very hard to get rid of the pimples. But it's gone, as you can see. I'm not wearing any foundation except for a little bit on my eyelids and underneath my eyes, which you can't really tell because I have eyeshadow on. This stuff is for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut. 90% of your serotonin is produced in your gut, and 70% of your dopamine is also produced in your gut. And so if you have anything going on with your serotonin or dopamine, I would highly, highly recommend this stuff. And sorry about the way I look. My hair is a little bit messy and a little bit wet there, and I am absolutely soaked because I just had to deal with a little bit of an emergency outside, so that was pleasant. I'm not going to go into grave detail. Nobody died or anything like that, so it's nothing super, super serious. I just had to go rescue something of mine from the yard so that it didn't end up on the road and cause people to get in a car accident or a blockage on the road. And luckily I caught it just in time. And a couple of the neighbors ran over and helped me with it, so we're all good now. But yeah, that was not something that I expected that wasn't something that I expected to have to deal with today. But hey, whoever expects to deal with an emergency, right? Anyway, it's all dealt with now. Everything is good. Nobody died. Nobody got in an accident. The road's not blocked, so we're all good.